Hi, this is Nicholas Vardy, editor of the Oxford Swing Trader, and welcome to this week's edition of Swing Trading Next Picks. In this series of bi-weekly videos, I offer viewers like you a sample recommendation of the kind of actual recommendations I offer to my paid subscribers at Oxford Swing Trader. And if you never want to miss any of my swing trading videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way you will get instant notification when I post a new video. And if you're new to swing trading, check out my Swing Trading Explained video, for which there's a link in the description below. Now let's get on to today's Oxford Swing Trader sample recommendation. This past year has been a rough one for airlines across the globe, but all that is now changing. On April 2nd, the CDC allowed fully vaccinated people to travel domestically without COVID-19 testing or the need to quarantine, as long as they continue to wear masks while traveling and practice social distancing. This has led to an explosion in travel. The TSA has screened over 2 million travelers on June 11th. That's the highest number since March of 2020. U.S. airlines are also looking to open more international flights for leisure travelers. Most recently, the European Union has opened up travel for fully vaccinated U.S. travelers. All this brings us to today's recommendation, Southwest Airlines, ticker symbol LUV. Investors will be hoping for strength from Southwest as it approaches its next earnings release on July 22nd. Analysts expect to report earnings of minus 44 cents per share. Now that may not sound great, but it does represent a year-over-year increase of 83.52%. Full-year consensus estimates are calling for earnings of minus $1.32 per share on revenues of $15.12 billion. These results would represent a year-over-year growth of 78.78% and 67.1% respectively. Another good sign? Southwest Airlines was in the portfolios of 52 hedge funds at the end of March. Now that's near an all-time high for this statistic of 58. Now Southwest has endured some short-term bad news of late with technical glitches and website issues. As a result, the stock has pulled back about 11% from its recent peak of $63.68 that it reached on May 18th. Now that's precisely the kind of pattern that we're looking for as swing traders. No wonder Southwest Airlines has triggered 4 of the Oxford Swing Trader algorithms. Let's look at the swing trade parameters for this trade. The last closing price as of this recording was $56.67. The trade setup was as follows. The swing trader algorithms fired on the channel system, the overreaction system. The stock is also oversold on the RSI and recently exhibited a 1 SD move. My recommendation here is try not to pay more than $57 for the stock. The stop loss is $52.40, or about 7.5% below the most recent closing price. The target is $64.75, or about a 14.3% gain. So the stock recommendation here is to buy Southwest Airlines, ticker symbol LUV, at market today, and set your stop at $52.40. As always, be patient. Place a limit order to get the price you want. Intraday volatility is your friend. So there you have it, a real-life, solid swing trading recommendation from Oxford Swing Trader. Now, just to be clear, I can't guarantee that all my swing traders will be winners. But remember, Oxford Swing Trader recommends an average of 2 swing trades just like this every week of the year. So you'll have plenty of opportunities, about 100 a year in fact, to generate quick gains using swing trading strategies. And for my paid subscribers, I also always offer an option recommendation along with each pick. These option recommendations have the potential to really turbocharge your returns. Again, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next edition of Swing Trading Next Picks. That way you will get instant notification when I post a new recommendation. And if you want even more trades like these, then I urge you to check out a conversation I recently had with Russell B., a happy subscriber to Oxford Swing Trader, at the link in the description below. Or you can call our sales team at 888-570-9830 to learn more. Stay tuned for my next edition of Swing Trading Next Picks 2 weeks from today. Thanks for watching.